Hey, what's up guys? Samsung Galaxy A51 has made an appearance yet again. This time courtesy of a new render image. Samsung has been hard at the populating its budget in mid-range series with a phone this year. The company Galaxy A series phone debuted in February early this year, and the Galaxy A50s followed the A50 in September, possible successor to the Galaxy A50 and A50s, and the new information falls in line with the leaks and rumors around Galaxy A51. A early look at the upcoming Galaxy A51 is L-shaped quad camera. The phone also popped up on Geekbench bearing the SMA515F model number, which revealed it will pack the Exynos 9611 SoC and 4GB RAM, just like the Galaxy A50s. Now we get our first set of the render of the A51, which revealed the quad camera setup on the back and a centered punch hole in the display similar to the Note 10 series. Price Baba leaks the Samsung A51 image. He tweeted, "Samsung A51 reveal punch hole display and quad camera, which means the Samsung A51 has a 4 camera setup on the back and have a punch hole display like the Samsung Note 10. And also look at the design." Also, one leaks tweet about Samsung A51. He says, "On her Twitter account, here comes your first look at the Galaxy A51 360-degree video and officially looking 5K renders dimension on behalf of my friend Price Baba." And also we talking about this some leaked specification of the Samsung A51. The upcoming Samsung A51 mid-ranger appears to have a minimal bezel with a flat display measuring in it a 6.5 inch with a punch hole for the 32 megapixel selfie camera. The dimensions are listed at 158.4 by 73.7 by 7.9 mm, and the camera bump on the back adds another 0.6 mm of thickness. Speaking of the camera setup, it's a regular cutout that houses the quad camera and LED flat. Past rumors suggest the main sensor will come in 48 megapixel paired with a 12MP ultra wide shooter, 12MP telephoto camera and 5 megapixel depth helper. The Samsung Galaxy A51 will also be getting an ample 4000 mAh battery. Around the bottom of the phone we see the loudspeaker, Type-C port and headphone jack. In related news, the A51 also appeared in a certification entry in the Wi-Fi Alliance database. As you can see picture on your screen, the listing matched the SMA515F model seen before and revealed that the phone will come with a dual band Wi-Fi support and Android 10 out of the box. We do not know about the price of the flagships. Maybe the price of this smartphone is same to the Samsung A50s. Let's see in the one its launch. We update you time by time. So that is for now. We update more about this smartphone in upcoming days. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe for more tech related video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.